Thank you, that was great.
Violence in our country, but also imperialistic ambition of Russia. Actually, Ukraine and Belarus are facing the same enemy. It's ambitions of Russia, and I want to be sure that Belarus is not overlooked by the world. And now we see that Lukashenko is hiding crimes against humanity, crimes against Belarus, and people united to counter these attacks by Russia on Belarus. Belarus is extremely important for the whole democratic world. I would say that there will be no peace in the region without democratic Belarus. And I want the democratic world to mobilize all their efforts to fight with the regime. I want to tell that any appeasement, any deals are unacceptable.